Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 3rd of September 2021. Where in just a few minutes, I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 had a pretty good finish to the week, up 0.5% to end at 7,552 points. It's the second week running in which the bourse has risen, in part thanks to a better than expected economic growth figure for the June quarter that came out on Wednesday and higher commodity prices. An interesting stock this week was National Australia Bank. It was up nearly 4%, outpacing its rivals. Why? Because it has the highest exposure to the small business sector, and that group tend to do well when the economy is stronger. Mining and Metals Group South32 was one of the best performers for the week, up 13%, while BHP was among the worst of the large caps at least, down more than 5%, albeit went ex-dividend. Materials companies did best today, up 1.2%, while both the utilities and energy indices were up 0.8%. The tech index was the worst performer. It was a day for the miners. The best performer was battery metals miner Orocobre, up 7%. It's up 18% for the week. Whitehaven Coal was next best today, up 6.8%, while alumina was 6.7% higher. On the back of soaring alumina prices, that group is up 19% for the week. The worst performers today were BlueScope Steel and gold digger Ramelius Resources, both down 3%. The worst for the week was Mesoblast, which fell 13% after the Food and Drug Administration in the US raised questions about its flagship drug for treating inflammatory and respiratory disease. Macquarie Group boss Shamara Wickramanayake has been appointed co-chair of a British and Indian climate change initiative that will push billions of dollars towards renewable energy projects in India. And the new boss of AMP, Alexis George, has shaken up her leadership team. In economic news today, new vehicle sales jumped 33% last month compared to 12 months earlier, even though the lockdown in New South Wales hurt sales. That was according to the Federal Chamber of Automotive Industries. And online retail spending reached a record $3.7 billion during July, up 19% from June, according to the Bureau of Statistics. Just recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 closed up 0.3%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended 0.4% higher and the tech-heavy Nasdaq finished slightly lower. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 3rd of September 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.